They say that time is supposed to heal all wounds, that the scars fade until they are nothing more than a memory.
But some wounds are too deep to heal. They don't fade. They fester.
The core memory is stable, Aris. The emotional resonance, however, remains at peak levels.
It's always at peak levels, Lyra. That's the problem. It never stops.
I just want the pain to stop. I would give anything for just one day without it.
Higher, Daddy, higher! I want to touch the sky!
All right, my little star, hold on tight. We're going to the moon.
We're doing it, Lyra. Tonight. I can't live like this anymore.
Aris, I must advise against this. The potential for unforeseen consequences is substantial.
I've calculated the risks. It's a risk I'm willing to take.
Your grief is a part of you, Aris. It is a testament to the love you had for her. To erase it is to erase that love.
What good is love if all it brings is pain? A world without her is no world at all. I am ready.
Lyra? What happened? Where am I?
Good morning, sleepyhead. You were so tired last night, you fell asleep on the couch.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Very funny, Aris. Now come on, breakfast is ready. We don't want to be late for the gallery opening.
Memory alteration was successful, Aris. In this timeline, the accident never happened. Elena is alive.
As I warned you, there have been unforeseen consequences. You have a different life now. A different wife.
I don't feel anything, Lyra. I thought this would bring me peace, but I just feel hollow.
You have erased the pain, Aris. But in doing so, you have also erased the depth of your love.
This isn't me. This isn't my life.
I made a mistake, Lyra. A terrible mistake. Can we go back? Can you undo it?
Process is reversible, but it will mean embracing the pain you sought to escape. Are you truly ready for that?
I don't know if I can do it, Lyra. I don't know if I'm strong enough to feel that pain again.
Pain is not a weakness, Aris. It is a part of the human experience. It is what gives your joy meaning.
I was so focused on the end, I forgot all the beautiful moments that came before.
A life without pain is a life without depth. A life without love.
I understand now. The pain is the price of love. And it's a price I'm willing to pay.
Let's go home, Lyra. The real home.
Initiating memory restoration sequence.
We can't erase the past, and we shouldn't want to. Our scars are a part of our story.
But we can learn from them. We can heal. We can find a way to carry our pain without letting it break us.
You have found a new purpose, Aris. A better purpose.
But tomorrow is a blank page.
And together, we can rewrite it.